Welcome to Beautyistic, where we dive deep into the beauty products that promise to make a difference. If you're someone with color-treated hair, you already know the struggle. Hydration without the heaviness, repair without the weight. That's exactly what we're tackling today with the Rita Hazan True Color Conditioner. But does it really live up to its claims? Let's find out. The Rita Hazan True Color Conditioner is specifically formulated for color-treated hair, designed to hydrate and repair without weighing hair down. It's sulfate-free, sodium chloride-free, and paraben-free, which is always a plus for anyone trying to preserve their color while keeping their hair healthy. It promises to restore moisture, add softness, and improve manageability, all while ensuring that your color stays vibrant longer. But how does it actually perform in real-life testing? Let's talk about it. After using this conditioner for several weeks, I was pleasantly surprised by how lightweight it felt on my hair. Unlike some conditioners that leave your hair feeling like it's been coated in a thick layer, this one rinses out cleanly and leaves behind a noticeable softness without any greasy residue. The texture is creamy but not too thick, which made it easy to distribute through my hair. One of the standout features is how it makes my hair feel after drying. It doesn't flatten the hair or weigh it down, as the formula claims. Instead, it leaves it feeling hydrated, smooth, and full of bounce. The hydration is definitely there, but it doesn't overpower the natural texture of your hair. I also noticed that my color seemed to stay vibrant for longer between salon visits, which is a major plus. Now let's get into some of the strengths and weaknesses. The pros: the conditioner really does hydrate without leaving that weighed down feeling, and it has a gentle yet effective formula. It's sulfate-free, which is great for those of us trying to preserve color. It's also easy to use. Just apply, leave it in for a few minutes, and rinse. The cons? I did feel like it wasn't as deeply nourishing as some other conditioners on the market for severely damaged hair, but for color-treated hair that just needs maintenance, it does the job. So, is it worth the price? In my opinion, yes. The price feels justified for a high-quality conditioner that caters to the specific needs of color-treated hair. Plus, the fact that it's free of sulfates, sodium chloride, and parabens means it's a solid choice for long-term care if you're looking to preserve your color without compromising hair health. I've tried other conditioners at a similar price point, and what sets Rita Hazan apart is its balance: hydrating, lightweight, and effective at maintaining color. Some alternatives I've tested feel either too heavy or too light to truly nourish, but this conditioner strikes the right balance. The packaging is simple, functional, and easy to use, which is always a plus. The scent is subtle, which is also something I appreciate because it's not overpowering. Now, is there room for improvement? Personally, I would love a version that offers a bit more deep conditioning power for those days when my hair feels extra dry or damaged. But for most people with color-treated hair looking for something gentle yet effective, this is a solid option. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you are itching to get it, the link is in the comments. Lastly, if you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thank you for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.